Hello everyone, and welcome to Coffee Chat with BallroomVille, where we chat about everything ballroom dancing. I hope you have your coffee ready. I do. And I'm gonna take a swig and let's dive into some questions today. All right, here we go. Okay, so the first question that we have is, how long must I take ballroom dance lessons until I feel confident on the dance floor? This is probably one of the most frequently asked questions that I get, especially from the gentlemen. There's really no cookie cutter answer for that, I'll be very honest. It's different for everyone, and everyone feels confident at a different stage of their learning process. And some people like to challenge themselves and always want to go to that next level to feel confident at a higher level. So that really depends. The best thing that you can do is, if you're already taking lessons, talk to your instructor, talk to your teacher, make small goals for yourself. So this question is, do most women enjoy being led in ballroom dance? Okay, so in ballroom dancing, we use body language to communicate. Just like in anything else, we have a scale, okay? We can have really great communication skills, we can have so-so, or we can have communication skills that may need work. So there's this phrase, you'll catch more bees with honey than vinegar. And in dancing, it's exactly the same. So if we have very rough arms and leads, and we're being very forceful, it's very unlikely that the lady would respond in a positive manner. So we always have to keep in mind that whenever you're creating a lead to go into a step or a pattern in your dancing, you want to think of inviting the lady. Now, the best way to learn this, and really the only way to learn this, gentlemen, is to invest in private lessons with a qualified lady instructor, okay? Because it's an extremely tactile thing to learn, and just doing it by yourself or doing it with a partner who you dance with typically won't help you improve that as much as it would to have a professional in front of you and helping you along the way. So that's something that I would highly, highly recommend. Think of inviting and invest in lessons with a qualified professional lady. Okay, the next question, let's go ahead. Let me see it. Does ballroom dancing get better / easier with time? Okay, so just like anything else that we do, the more we do it, the better chance that we have to get better at it and for it to become easier over time. Create that muscle memory in a positive way, dance as much as you can, and also continue education, because that's what's going to help you get better and for it to become easier over time. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me today for Coffee Chat with BallroomVille. We want to hear from you. If you have any questions for us, let us know down in the comments below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you know when the next video comes out. Until next time.